Hey guys, it's Mary, and look what came the other day. Let me see, make sure you can see. We've got the Diamond Press Nesting Tag Frame Christmas Die Kit. So if I recall correctly, this is number 4, and we've got 2 more. Before the auto ship is over with. So let's open it up and take a look. I'm telling you, there we go. I think this is the only auto ship coming this month. Maybe one more at the end of the month. I can't remember. All right, let's see. Oh, pretty. Very nice. Look at how big these are. Oh, I love that. I love that frame. So let's take a look. Just move you a little bit. Okay. All right, we've got the dies, which unfortunately are all stuck in here as usual. Let's see if we get that out. Yay. All right. Oh, look at, we've got different size wreaths, some snowflakes, banners. Love this frame, another snowflake. We got a tiny little folder this time. I can't remember if they were always tiny in this set. All right, so the stamps are, we wish you a very Merry Christmas. I like that. This one's cute. Hold on, let me change my glasses. North Pole Post Office, Reindeer Express, Merry Christmas, special delivery from Santa, and it says 4 on it. And then we've got Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Sweet Christmas, Happiest Holidays from the, and then it says family, and there's a line for you to write your name in. Winter wishes, it's the most wonderful time of the year, 'tis the season, season's greetings, merry and bright, joy to the world, let it snow. Wishing you a, wishing you the, to and from. We've got like mistletoe, holly berries. I guess that one goes with that one, that one goes with that one. Top of a tag, candy cane, more snowflakes. And then let's take a look at the stencils. I always love to look at the stencils. And let's get a different color to back this up. We got small stencils and the large ones. I can't believe it's almost the middle of October and the stores already have Christmas stuff out. It's just way too soon. But then I just spent the last 2 or 3 weekends doing virtual card making events, and the majority of the stuff was Christmas cards. But I've got the majority of my Christmas cards done now. Merry and Bright, Snowflake Kisses and Holiday Wishes, Let It Snow, and Oh What Fun Are the Little Ones. I will do a video later and show you all the different cards from the events that we did. It was pretty amazing. So in the large ones, we've got snowflakes. Oh, this one's so cute. Peppermints. Poinsettias. And Oh Holy Night Stars. Very nice. All right, so that's it for the stencils. All right, let's take a look at their instructions. They always have good ideas. Christmas tag and frame set. So this one's just showing you that the banner cuts out, and then you can use all these sentiments that we read, and then put the holly with the berries, and then these little berries on that one, just like I said. Oh, and then this one cuts out poinsettias. Okay. Little holly leaves there. And then here's our stencils. I like this one. This one's very cute. And then the little ones. And then here are the frames. Eggs. So it comes with the 3 different ones. The joy, the wreath, and the snowflake that you can either drop into the frame or into the tag. Those are cute. This is cute with using the frame and the little wreath, and then putting some berries and stuff in it. And this is showing you with the background of the poinsettia. Oh, and then cutting out the tags and using the small ones to go on the tags and on the frame. And then option 3, it says to die cut a tag, and then you can use these, which is really cute for Christmas presents. So cute. All right, there we go. Diamond press, Christmas tag, and frames. So let me know in comments if you picked this one up, if you signed up for the auto ship, and if you've used it yet. I just got mine 2 days ago, I think it was. So, you know, I just love Diamond Press, and they do the best job, you know, doing bundles like this. So, all right, so let me know in comments what you think about this one, if you like it, if you got it, or if you didn't pick up the auto ships. Like I said, this is the 4th one, and there'll be 2 more, and then that'll be it. I have not signed up for any new auto ships. Nothing has caught my eye, so we shall see. I've got auto ships running till the beginning of the year, so we'll see. All right, so that's it. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate any time that you have to come and watch a video. I appreciate it. Excuse me, hold on. I'm losing my voice here. Better, I hope. Well, kind of, sort of. Not really. Anyway, if you're a subscriber, I thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can hit that subscribe button. And if you hit the bell, it will send you a notification every time there's a video, new video to watch. You can also hit that like button. That's a good one. We all love that one if you like the video. And there's also a share button if you want to share the video with your friends. So, all right, that's it for today. Until the next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.